So, I have a theory about a animal company and Yeeps, animal company and Yeeps collaboration tomorrow's update. Literally on Tuesday, there's an update, and I have a theory that Yeeps is coming to Animal Company tomorrow, cause I've seen. Okay, I'm just gonna go into Animal Company real quick, but first, I want you to hit that subscribe button, and fingers crossed that Yeeps comes to Animal Company, because those are like my two favorite games. So, I'm just gonna show you, but yeah, I'll show you on my Animal Company app, companion too. I really rocking the top teeth. Okay. And people say VR separate are a lot of money. I have a whole different pair of glasses just for VR. So that's my VR is like $300. And I'm just gonna show you.
Okay. So you guys, this is the proof. Okay. And it's not just one. It's many. Oh, not that one. This one. Look. Go. Okay. It's really easy. This one? This one. Look it. That's the Yeeps face. Yeeps. Hold on. Let me go to the one over here. Ow. Is it right? Oh, this one. In it pluralis. Which is really easy to read. No. Don't fall. By the way, this is at like the crate map. The one with the crates. Whoa. Yeah, look at Yeeps. We're having a Yeeps update. Look at Yeeps. It's crazy, dude.